Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today we are going to be playing Roblox. And actually, later today I'm going to make a video of reacting to something. Music video, any video you guys want me to do. And so I want to, I was planning on playing Jailbreak. I am sorry I'm so into jail, but it's this one is really fun. This one is really fun. So I want you guys to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and smash that bell so you know when I make new videos. Okay? Alright, this again. Just gotta wait. Alright, we just gotta wait. So let me know down in the comments below what you want me to do next time. Actually, next time after I do the reaction. Because last night I was gonna make 2 reactions, but I didn't have time. I mean 3. 1 Roblox, which I already did, and 2 reactions. Which one? Let me know in the comments below. Prisoner or criminal? Okay, I'll be prisoner. I mean, scheduled free time. No, let me out. Where am I? Alright, my guy's still loading. Okay, we can make calls. We can do pretty much anything. Hey. My friend's here. Sweet. Wonder where he is. Yes. Oh, he's a criminal. Okay. Wait, this one's coming. What? Where is he going? Ooh. That was open. Do I have to press C? Come on. Yes. Sewers. This is a great place. This is a good place. Take a look. I'm trying to walk as fast as I can. Now, I'm out, guys. And I'm arrested. What the heck? Okay. I can't see my guy. I don't know where I'm going. So I'm gonna leave the game. I'm gonna pause it first. Okay, we're back. And gotta go into prisoner. Oh no. Oh, it's dinner? Yeah, I'm walking faster. Finally. Okay. Let's see what we're having for dinner. What the heck? I spawned at dinner. This guy has... Wait. Yeah, I can't see anything, guys. Bro, do you want me to... I'm gonna... So... I'm gonna change... Okay, guys. Never mind. I don't know why I had like a... talking for a second. And my guy. What the heck happened to you? That is weird. But I need food. I'm hungry. Guys, I'm really hungry. I don't think I should be. I think I should be. Dude, I'm going with this guy. Dudes. You guys, I'm going with this guy. That was weird. I skipped all the way over here. Come on, bro. Come on. Okay. And we're about to come out. Okay, guys, I am escaping. But I'm trying. Okay, guys, for a second I was... I think someone stole my... I'm trying to get it from someone. Get the... Okay. I'm picky. Let's go, Rose. I'm gonna run. Okay. In case you guys are wondering, why am I trying to rob something? Because I'm these guys let me help them. Ooh, car. Spank. Wait, is it bank? Let's go rock this. Let's go. Bank. What? I'm trying. Oh my god. I hate play something else. I was helping them, okay? Oh, I already did. And I am going to play something else. PRISON, prison. I'm not playing the prison obby again. No, I would definitely not that. This is what I am going to play. Prison life. Prison life. Prison life. Yo, let's go. I'll help cops. I mean, no, I'll help prisoners. Actually, I might be a prisoner. I just want to be something. I don't care what I am. I just want to be something. Alright. Guards. Oh, free time? Escape. I can try to escape. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, that is gonna have to be the end of my video, and I hope you all have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Bye.